Hey, so this is quantum jumping as it applies to the Mandela effect on steroids. So, making things happen, letting things happen, hanging loose. So, live in a man-made world. We live in San Diego, and we have a lot of earthquakes in San Diego. So the buildings, there's a building over there. So the buildings that are built, they have to have feminine energy. So if they're real tall, they would just topple over if they didn't have it. We are both made of masculine energy and feminine energy. Making things happen, man-made energy, feminine energy, letting things happen. In between that, probably your inner child, you can go in many different directions, is maybe, maybe not. Little kids say maybe, maybe not, or just hanging loose. So making things happen, fire. Letting things happen, water. And then this is like the steam. When you put fire and water together, you have steam. Maybe, maybe not, of the inner child. So as you're going through these 1,000 different possibilities, there's no way to manage all of that, macro or micro, but you can manage what you say no to, what you say yes to, and what you say maybe, maybe not to. So it's just as you're in those states of quantum jumping, as you're sleeping, it's just feeling yourself through something that aligns with your purpose and only doing things that you do are your purpose. The good, the bad, and the ugly that happen are all in a line of your purpose, feeding on all those different possibilities without being in science. Less science, more intuition. Knowing that even though you're operating in intuition, it's still aligning with science. Making things happen, letting things happen, and steam. Maybe, maybe not. When you have a narrow path, you're more saying no to everything. But your inner child likes to say yes to a lot of things. Feminine energy can ground for what your wedge is. It can ground for what your wedge is, and it can help attract everything to you. Making things happen, letting things happen, letting things come to you. Yogis like to put their hands out here for receiving. That's feminine energy, being able to receive that. The bountiful universe that is in alignment. As you collaborate with the universe, you're attracting all these different possibilities to come to you, and the right ones that fit along with your purpose. And you're just in tune with what you're saying yes to, what you're saying no to, and what you are receiving, what your inner child is receiving. Some of the things that when you try and micromanage a lot of things that are going on, or you're trying to control things, that stresses out your inner child. Your inner child that can manifest tons of stuff, it gets stressed out, then it just pushes stuff away. So then you're just saying no to more things that were the things that you wanted, the things that you're setting intentions that you wanted to have come to you. You're manifesting them, then pushing them away. Manifesting them, then pushing them away. No, now you're going to let go of that, and you're going to receive all the intentions, whether it's for a reason, a season, or a lifetime. Quantum jumping. Let's get ready to rumble!